If you have a high bounce rate or if you're getting high traffic with no sales, it might be a first impression issue. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 tips on how to make your dropshipping store look professional and trustworthy so you can start making sales. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now let's get into the video. Alright, my first tip has to do with the theme that you choose for your store. You don't need to buy an expensive theme to look professional. There are many free themes available. We did a video here, and here if you want some suggestions. But the main thing when choosing your theme is don't get caught up on all the fancy effects and transitions. Choose a theme based on what is going to showcase your product the best. So for example, if you're a one product store, don't choose a theme that is made for large catalogs. You're going to end up with lots of space that you need to fill without actually having the content to fill it. So choose based on what works for what you are currently selling. Number 2, logo. Your logo is one of those things that holds a lot of weight on how professional or unprofessional your store looks. Let me show you a few examples here. This is the same exact store, but at first glance, one definitely looks more professional and trustworthy than the others. I highly recommend having a professional logo done up. There are 2 options I would suggest. You can either make a logo yourself using Fiverr's logo maker. You just enter your business name, you can specify which industry you are in and whether you want certain elements in your logo, and then adjust your preferences. After that, you will get tons of options to start working with. From there, you choose which one you like the best and then start customizing it to your liking. Or you can always hire someone to customize it for you. The end product ends up only being $30 USD for your own custom logo. The other option I would suggest is hiring someone from Fiverr to make one for you. You can search based on your budget and have a professional logo done up at a really affordable price. I put the links to both of these options in our description box. Number 3, store customization. This is definitely where most stores go downhill. When customizing your theme, less is more. If you want to add pops of color, it's best to do it on things like buttons, link colors, and your navigation bar. When you start changing background colors and font colors, it quickly becomes too much and starts taking away from where the focus should be, your products. Use your logo as the anchor point and then match your theme colors and fonts to your logo to create a professional, cohesive look. Number 4. Add a favicon. Adding a favicon to your Shopify store not only adds that little extra touch to make your store look professional, but it also helps your visitors find you quickly when they have multiple tabs open. Number 5. Photos. A common issue I see in a lot of dropshipping stores are blurry photos. This happens when you use an image that's too small for the given space. It will get stretched out to fill the area, but when it does that, you lose image quality and get that blurry pixelated look. For high quality free stock photos, check out this video for our favorite websites. Now, before I get on to the other tips, if this video is helping you, do me a quick favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us out. Alright, tip number 6, reviews. I don't know about you, but whether it's a recipe I found online or a purchase I'm looking to make, I am always looking at the reviews before I move ahead. Positive reviews are very valuable and they add a lot of trust to your store, so definitely add a review app to your store and encourage your customers to leave reviews. Number 7, social media. Along the same lines of reviews, having an active social media presence adds a lot of trust to your brand. If there's nothing about your brand online, it's a red flag to your visitors. Potential customers are going to research before purchasing, and one of the first places they're going to check is social media. I highly recommend getting on social media and then adding those links to your Shopify store. Number 8, contact form. This might seem basic, but a lot of stores aren't adding contact forms to their websites. Think about it. How comfortable are you going to feel as a customer if there's no way to contact you if something goes wrong? Shopify has made creating a contact page with a form really simple. We did a video that you can watch here. Number 9, legal pages. Another one of those staple pages that every website should have are your legal pages. I'm talking about your return policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. You can get auto-generated policies with the click of a button. Here's a video on how to do it. Number 10, edit your product pages after importing. If you're using a tool to import your dropshipping products, don't just import and leave them as is. Take the time to go back and edit them. Left as is, the titles are usually stuffed with keywords, so they end up looking spammy and untrustworthy. And the descriptions are usually very long, which won't convert well, and then they often have variants that aren't labeled well. Taking the few extra minutes to edit your product pages will improve your odds of making a sale. I hope these tips helped you. If they did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.